You just found the 2021 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a good-looking Sierra that offers impressive towing and hauling capacity and a spacious cabin with amenities like standard touchscreen infotainment and smartphone integration. Available in a wide range of powertrains, including V8 and diesel, this remarkable full-size pickup is designed to exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, sun, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, bed liner, adaptive cruise control, fog lamps, Wi-Fi hotspot, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels. Make your dreams come true in this can-do Sierra. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.